Hello students, this is a quick video that's going to show you how to digitally submit your Nursing and Allied Health Evaluation Request Form to the Enrollment Services Department here at MSJC. You're first going to go to the msjc.edu website. And at the top center of the webpage, you're going to click on Student Support Hub. Once you're at this page, you're going to scroll down and locate the Enrollment Services tab. Click on it, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select e-document submission, secure document upload. Then you will be taken to the student e-document submission page. And on this page, you're going to include your student information. So student ID, first name, middle name, if you have one, last name, phone number, and email. You're going to scroll down and click on Upload Enrollment Services Documents. And under Attachments, you're going to include your evaluation form and any supporting documentation that you need to include. Then you're going to type a brief description of what you're including. Up above, where it says Important Upload Requirements, it gives you all the details of the format of the document they accept. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click Submit. Once you submit, you will get a confirmation email saying that the document was submitted to Enrollment Services. If you do not get a confirmation within 5 minutes, I suggest you submit again. Eventually, the evaluator will send you an eligibility email, and that eligibility email, along with program notes, is included with your application when you apply to any of our programs, including specifically the nursing program and the DMS program. I hope this video was helpful. Have a great day.